Hello there, hello all. Welcome to Learn with Mr. Tamuli. If you are keen to learn, you have found the right tutor. That's me, Mr. Tamuli. Be assured, you will be able to learn thoroughly with Mr. Tamuli. This tutorial will be presented by Ms. Benita. Let me tell you that Ms. Benita is a sharp lady. I am sure you will find Benita's presentation very absorbing.
Hello friends, my name is Benita. Actually, I am a virtual assistant of Mr. Tamuli. I shall present this tutorial on behalf of Mr. Tamuli. In this series of tutorials, you have been learning 6th standard mathematics. The current series of tutorials is for the first chapter of your textbook. The name of the chapter is Knowing Our Numbers. This tutorial is the tutorial number 6.a for the first chapter. In this tutorial we shall solve some of the questions from the Exercise-1.1 for the first chapter. So, let's start the tutorial class right away. The first question of the Exercise 1.1 is, fill in the blanks. In this, we have 5 questions. A, B, C, D and E. Let's attempt the first one. Which is, 1 lakh is equal to blank 10,000. At the first sight, this might seem like a strange question. But the actual question here is, how many 10,000s make 1 lakh? If you are attempting such questions for the first time, you will find it difficult to work out the answer in your mind. If I ask you how many 10s make 100, you would certainly be able to work this out quite easily in your mind that 10 10s make 100. You are able to do so, probably because you know by heart that 10 10s are 100. Or, probably because you know that 10 rupee notes are equivalent to a 100 rupee note. But when you try to work out in your mind how many 10,000s will be equivalent to 1 lakh, you find it harder because you don't yet have enough practice with larger numbers. But a person who works in a bank will be able to work out such equivalences instantly, because he always works with large sums of money like lakhs and thousands. So in order to find out the answer, what we shall do is, first we shall write in numerals or figures the number that we have on the left hand side of the equal to sign. The number is 1 lakh. So we shall write 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Below this number we shall write the other number which is on the right hand side of the equal to sign. The number is 10,000. So we write 10, 0, 0, 0. As you can see, 10,000 has got 1 0 less as compared to 1 lakh. So, very simply, the answer to our question is 10. Let's verify whether our answer is actually correct or not. If we multiply 10,000 by 10, the answer we get is 1 lakh. In other words, 10 10,000s make 1 lakh. So our answer is absolutely correct. Like the person working in the bank, let us also try and understand this equivalence in terms of currency notes. This is a bundle of 100 rupee notes. The number of notes in this bundle is 100. 100 multiplied by 100 is 10,000. So the amount of money in this bundle is 10,000. Do you know how many such bundles will make 1 lakh rupees? The answer is 10. Because 10,000 multiplied by 10 is equal to 1 lakh. This is actually what the fill in the blanks question is asking you to solve. The real question is how many 10,000s make 1 lakh. Now you know that the answer is 10. While this 1 lakh rupees is still with us, let's attempt another fill in the blanks question. Which is, 1 lakh is equal to blank 100. The actual question here is, how many hundreds make 1 lakh? In the same manner as solving the previous question, we shall first write in numerals the number in the right hand side of the equal to sign. Since the number is 1 lakh, we shall write 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Below this number we shall write the other number which is on the right hand side of the equal to sign. The number is 100. So we write 100. As you can see, 100 has got 3 zeros less as compared to 1 lakh. So, very simply, the answer to the question should be 1000. 1 and 3 zeros, which is 1000. So by applying the procedure of comparing the number of zeros, we have arrived at the answer that 1000 hundreds make 1 lakh. Let's verify our answer with the 1 lakh rupees that we have at our disposal. We shall have to find out the total number of 100 rupee notes that are there in all the 10 bundles. In a single bundle there are 100 notes. And we have 10 such bundles. So the total number of notes is 100 multiplied by 10, which is equal to 1000. We have a total of 1100 rupee notes in this sum of 1 lakh rupees. That means 1000 hundreds make 1 lakh. So the answer that we found out by the method of comparing the number of zeros in the two given numbers is actually correct. Let us now go back to the question number 1b of exercise 1.1, which is 1 million is equal to blank 100,000. Here again, the actual question that you are being asked is, how many 100,000s make 1 million? So in order to find out the answer, what we shall do is, first we shall write in numerals the number that we have on the left hand side of the equal to sign. The number is 1 million. So we shall write 1,000,000. Below this number we shall write the other number which is on the right hand side of the equal to sign. The number is 100,000. So we write 100,000. As you can see, 100,000 has got 1 zero less as compared to 1 million. So, again the answer to our question is 10. To verify your answer, you can multiply 100,000 by 10. The answer that you get is 1 million. Which means that 10 100,000s make 1 million. So your answer is indeed very correct. Let us now take a similar equivalence question from elsewhere in the first chapter of the textbook. This question is not there in the exercise 1.1. The question is, 1 crore is equal to blank lakhs. What is being actually asked here is, how many lakhs make 1 crore? Like solving the previous two questions, what we shall do first is, we shall write in numerals the number that we have on the left hand side of the equal to sign. The number is 1 crore. So we shall write 1,000,000,000. Below this number we shall write the other number which is on the right hand side of the equal to sign. The number is 1 lakh. So we write 1,000,000. As you can see, 1 lakh has got 2 zeros less as compared to 1 crore. So, the answer to this question is 100, which is 100. To verify the answer, you can multiply 1 lakh by 100. The answer that you get is 1 crore. Which means that 100 lakhs make 1 crore. So we now know for sure that the answer we worked out by comparing the number of zeros in the two given numbers is actually correct. You should try and memorize this equivalence. 100 lakh is equal to 1 crore, as you shall often need to use this equivalence in future. We shall attempt one more fill in the blanks question. This time we shall take the question number 1a. The question is, 1 million is equal to blank lakhs. As we now know, the actual question is, how many lakhs make 1 million? To compare the number of zeros, we shall first write in numerals the number that we have on the left-hand side of the equal to sign. The number is 1 million. So we shall write 1,000,000. Below this number we shall write the other number which is on the right-hand side of the equal to sign. The number is 1 lakh. So we write 1,000,000. As you can see, 1 lakh has got 1 zero less as compared to 1 million. So, the answer to this question should be 10. To verify the answer, we shall multiply 1 lakh by 10. The answer that you get is 1 million. Which means that 10 lakhs make 1 million. So we are now sure that the answer we have just worked out is actually correct. You should try and memorize this equivalence as well. Which is, 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. Next we shall solve a few from the question number 2, which says, place commas correctly and write the numerals. In the first question, that is in question number 2a, the given name of the number is 73,75,307. You are to write the number in numerals and place commas appropriately. First of all, you should ascertain whether the given name is in the Indian format, or in the international format. Since the word lakh appears in the name, this is a clear indication that the name is in the Indian format. So, you are to place the commas as per Indian format of writing numbers. I would like to tell you here that whenever any of the words lakh and crore appears, or both the words lakh and crore appear in the name of a number, it means that the name is in the Indian format. So, 73,75,307 is an Indian format name, and while writing the number in numerals we shall place commas as per the Indian method. As you know, in the Indian method we write larger numbers as XXX crore, XX lakh, XX thousand, XXX. For example, 625 crore, 82 lakh, 63,000, 133. You are to place commas after crore, after lakh, and after thousand. So let us now write in numerals. 73,75,307. For 73 lakh, we shall write 73, Next, for 75,000, we shall write 75, So we are done with lakh and thousand. What remains is 307, for which we shall simply write 307. That's it. Quite simple, isn't it? Let us now attempt the second one, which is 9 crore, 5 lakh, 41. To write 9 crore, 5 lakh, 41 in numerals, if you simply write 9, 5, 41, you actually end up writing 9,541. Instead of 9 crore, 5 lakh, 41. You ended up writing the wrong number, because you did not follow the format, which is XXX crore, XX lakh, XX thousand, XXX. In this Indian format, you should keenly observe the important fact that after crore you are to reserve 2 places for lakh. And after lakh you are to reserve another 2 places for thousand. In the end, thousand should be followed by the last 3 digits, which are the positions of 100, 10 and 1. So let's now write the correct numerals for 9 crore 5 lakh 41 using the appropriate format. For 9 crore, we can simply write 9, Next, for 5 lakh we should write 05, As per the format, after crore we must reserve 2 places for lakh. For instance, if the number contains 25 crore 55 lakh, you shall write 25, 55, and if the number contains, say 246 crore, 9 lakh, you should write 246, 09, The point is, after crore you must reserve 2 positions for lakh. Which is why for 9 crore 5 lakh, we have written 9, 05, The last part of our number is 41. After lakh comes thousand, but in our number there is no thousand. So to comply with the format, we shall write 00, for thousand. The rule is, in the Indian format, after lakh 2 positions must be reserved for thousand. If the number contains 15,000, you can write 15, If the number contains 6,000, you are to write 06, and if the number contains no thousand, you must write 00, after lakh. Again, thousand is followed by 3 positions, 110 and 1. The last part of our number is 41. For the last part we are to write 041. Since our number does not contain any hundred, we place a 0 in hundreds position. So 9 crore 5 lakh 41 in numerals is 9, 05, 00, 041. Next, let's take the question number 2D, which is 58,423,202. Whenever you find the words billion and million, or any of the 2 words in the name of a number, it tells you that the number is in the international format. And the international format of writing numbers is XXX billion, XXX million, XXX thousand, XXX. For example, 128 billion, 562 million, 433,307. So, let us now try and write 58,423,202 in numerals. For 58 million, we can write 58, Next, for 423,000, we shall write 423, Lastly, for 202, we shall write 202. This is how we write 58,423,202 in numerals. Very easy, right? Let's now attempt a slightly difficult one. The number is 22,058,006,005. For 22 billion, we can write 22, Next for 58 million, we should write 058, You should remember that in the international format, after billion 3 places are reserved for million. So to comply with the format we have written 058 for 58 million. Next we have 6,000. Again, after million we are to provide 3 positions for thousand. So for 6,000, we are to write 006, Lastly, we have only 5. But thousand is followed by 3 positions, 100, 10 and 1. Since the number that we have is only 5, we shall fill the positions of hundreds and tens with zeros. That means we shall write 005. So that's how we write 22,058,006,005 in numerals. We shall now move to question number 3, which says, insert commas suitably and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. In this, the first number to be named is 87595,762. As you already know, the Indian format of writing larger numbers is XXX crore, XX lakh, XX thousand, XXX. While trying to ascertain the name of a number, you should place the commas from right to left. As per the format, we are to place the first comma after the first 3 digits. In our number, the first 3 digits are 267. So we shall place the first comma after 7. The second comma is to be placed after the next two digits. As you know, these two digits, that is the digits in the fourth and the fifth positions, have the name thousand. In our number, the fourth and the fifth digits are 5 and 9. So let's place a comma after 9. Together these two digits, we shall call them thousand. Now the third comma is to be placed after the next two digits, that is the sixth and seventh digits from the right. Together, these two digits have the name lakh in the Indian format. In our number, the sixth and the seventh digits are 5 and 7. So we need to place a comma after 7. These two digits together, we shall call them lakh. Now we are done with placing the commas in their correct positions as per the Indian format. As you can see, we have separated the first three digits with a comma. These three digits are the positions of 110 and 1. The fourth and the fifth digits are called thousand. The sixth and the seventh digits are called lakh. And the remaining digit or digits are called crore. Now we shall name our number from left to right. First we have 8 crore. Next we have 75 lakh. Next 95,000. And lastly, 762. So the name of our number in the Indian format is 8 crore, 75 lakh, 95,762. Let us now take the question number 3C, in which the number is 999000046. We shall first place the commas appropriately from right to left. The first comma is to be placed after the first three digits. In the Indian format, the next comma is to be placed after the next two digits. And the last comma is to be placed after the next two digits. As you know, the first three positions from the right are 110 and 100. The fourth and the fifth positions together have the name thousand. The sixth and the seventh positions together have the name lakh in the Indian format. And the remaining digit or digits have the name crore. Now we can name our number from left to right. As you can clearly see now that in our number we have 9 crore. So in order to write the name of the number, we shall first write 9 crore. Next we have 99 lakh. So let's write 99 lakh. Next we have 00,000. That means the number does not contain any thousand. So we do not have to write anything for thousand. The remaining digits are 046. That is 46. So lastly, let's write 46. That's the name of our number, 9 crore, 99 lakh, 46. Let us now take one more number, which is 40406111029. The first step of the answer is to write the given number itself. Make sure to leave sufficient gaps between digits for placing of commas. The next step is to place the commas in appropriate positions as per the Indian format. As you now know, the first comma is to be placed after the third digit from the right. The next comma is to be placed after the next two digits. And the last comma is to be placed after the next two digits. We are now done with the placing of commas. You also know that the fourth and the fifth digits from the right have the name thousand. Again, the sixth and the seventh digit from the right have the name lakh. And the remaining digits have the name crore. Now we are to write the names from left to right. So first we have 404 crore. Next we have 6 lakh. Then 11,000. And in the end we have 29. So the name of our number is 404 crore 6 lakh 11,029. Let us now move to question number 4, which says, insert commas suitably and write the names according to International System of Numeration. This question is similar to the question number 3. The only difference is, this time we are to use the international method of numeration. Whereas in the previous question, we used the Indian method of numeration. Let's take the first given number, which is 78,921,092. As I have already told you, the international format of numeration is XXX billion, XXX million, XXX thousand, XXX. As we move from right to left, the first comma appears after the first 3 digits. These 3 places, as we know, are 1, 10 and 100. The next comma appears after the next 3 digits. Together these 3 digits have the name thousand in the international format. You may recall that in the Indian format, the 4th and the 5th digits together have the name thousand. You should carefully note the differences between the Indian format and international format of numeration. Coming back to the international format, the next comma appears after the next 3 digits. These 3 digits together have the name million, and the remaining digits have the name billion. Now we are ready to write the answer to our question. The first step is to write the given number itself. Please be mindful to leave sufficient gaps between digits to insert the commas later. So we are to insert the first comma after the 3rd digit from the right. As per the international format, we shall insert the next comma after the next 3 digits. Please note that these 3 digits together have the name thousand. Now we have only 2 digits on the left of the last comma. So there is no need to insert any more commas. Had there been more than 3 digits to the left of the comma, we would have been required to insert one more comma after the 3rd digit from the last comma. So placing of commas in our number is done. In the international format, after thousand comes the name million. So we shall associate the name million to the last 2 digits. Let's now write the name. As you can clearly see now, first we have 78 million. Next we have 921,000. Lastly, we have 92. So the name of the given number in the international format is 78,921,092. You should try naming the same number in the Indian format. I would like to remind you that the first step would be to place the commas as per the Indian format, which we learned a little while ago. As per me, the Indian name of this number should be 7,89,21,092. I hope your answer would be the same as mine. As our last question, let's take the number 53,008,019,306. So the first step of the answer is to write the given number itself. We shall make sure to leave just enough gaps between digits for inserting commas. As per the international format, commas are to be placed after every 3 digits as we move from right to left. We know that the first 3 digits from the right are 1, 10 and 100. The next 3 digits have the name thousand. And the next 3 digits together have the name million. And billion is the name for the remaining digits. As you can easily make out now, the name of our number is 53,08,019,306. So, that's it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial we shall learn what is a meter and what is a kilometer. You shall also get to know how larger numbers can be used to indicate long distances. So let's meet again in our next tutorial.